So, friends, how are you? Today I am going to tell you the chapter number 6 of Science Class 6th Book NCERT. So, the topic of our chapter is changes around us. So, we also know that there are many changes around us which can be reversed and which cannot be reversed. Reverse means the change in which the change which can be reversed, like if we blow a balloon, then we can make a balloon which has no air in it. Okay, it is also there. And if we burst that balloon, that it is irreversible change because we cannot change it. So let's start our chapter. Okay, then our first example was inflating a balloon and bursting a balloon. Inflating a balloon can be reversed and bursting of a balloon cannot be reversed. Let's take another example. Take a piece of paper and fold it as shown in a toy aeroplane. Okay. See, here also you can see that if we make a toy aeroplane with a sheet of paper, we can reverse it. We can make this toy paper again to that sheet of paper. But when we make a picture of an aeroplane, toy aeroplane on a sheet of paper and we cut it, this change cannot be reversed. So what we learn from it? That making a toy aeroplane and cutting a toy aeroplane, that this both of the things have one difference. So next one, let's take another example. Making a roti and baking a roti. See, if we have some flour, we can make a roti and we can reverse it back to the dough. Okay, and if we bake a roti, then we cannot reverse it because one time it is baked, then we cannot reverse it. This is also an irreversible change and reversible change. Okay, so now we will see about some common changes. Okay, first, the complete this table because it is one of the important parts. Complete this table by yourself, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Let's take two example. For we will take this one example, ice cream to molten ice cream. We can melt ice cream and make ice cream again also. It is a reversible change. And the next one is stretch rubber band to its normal size. When we stretch a rubber band, like this is a rubber, this is rubber band, and when we stretch it, we can reverse it. Okay, then bird to a flower means when flower is not at all grown up, it is a bird, it is a seed, and when it grows to a flower, we cannot change it. We It is an irreversible change. Okay, then wet clothes to dry clothes. Wet clothes to dry clothes, it is also irreversible. It is reversible change because when the clothes are wet, okay, wet clothes, and when we dry up them with the help of dryer, then we can also wet them. So it is reversible change. Okay, now let's move ahead. Here is, could there be other ways to bring a change? Expansion and contraction. Okay, expansion. This is first, in this content we have to learn about expansion and contraction. Okay, remember this, the two main words, expansion and contraction. So expansion means when we have a wooden wooden thing like this, and when we have to fit iron rim onto it, then it is moving only. So how do we fit it? It is not fitting completely. So first we have to do expansion. Expansion means heating the iron rim, and the size of iron rims become slightly longer. Okay, let's read this content one time. We all have seen the tools which were used to dig the soil. Have you ever seen how the iron blade in these tools to fix to the wooden handle? How this iron rim or iron blade fixed to the wooden handle? This is the wooden handle, and this is the iron rim. Okay. The iron blade of these tools has a ring in which the wooden handle is fixed. Normally, this ring is slightly smaller in size. The wooden handle, to fix the handle, the ring is heated and it becomes slightly larger in size, which means expands. Now the handle easily fits into the ring. When the ring cools down, it contracts and fits tightly onto the handle. So when normally the ring, this iron ring is slightly smaller in size. So what do we do? See, I have tell you the method, which is expansion. Okay. Expansion means when we heat up this iron rim, then the whole of this iron rim makes slightly larger. It becomes larger in size. Okay, it becomes larger in size, means now it can be fixed into this wooden part easily. And it is you can also say it is moving and it is not fixed tightly. So when we cool down this ring for sometimes, it slightly its size becomes slightly smaller, so it fixed tightly to this one wooden part. Okay, so this is the main process: expansion and contraction. Remember this process. Okay, there is one more example for this one. See, here you can see a cart wheel. Okay, a cart wheel. This wheel is also we have to fix this iron rim. We have to fix this iron rim to this. So first, what do? It first we will expand it. Expand means its size will be slightly larger, and it can be fit completely but not tightly, and then we will slightly cool down it, which means contraction, and it will fit tightly. Okay, then here also one more is there: reversible and irreversible change, burning of candle and melting of candle. Okay, burning of candle and melting of candle. When the candle is melted, when we burn a candle, then the wax come out from this. We can reverse this change. Okay, we can reverse. When the wax is coming down, we can make a candle again with the help of this wax. But when we burn a candle, the candle which has it parts, it reduces carbon dioxide and everything, so we cannot reverse a burning of candle. We can reverse melting of candle, but we cannot reverse burning of candle. Okay, remember this. Now here is also read this part. Okay, this is also important. Now we will see that salt can be reversed from water or it cannot be reversed. Okay, salt can be reversed from the water. If we take a beaker of water, this is a bowl of water, and if we add water to it in this much size, okay, this much size, and if we add salt to it, okay, salt dissolves in this water, okay. You also know that the salt dissolve in the beaker. So how we will take back the salt? We can take back the salt by the process of evaporation, which we have learned in the previous lesson, in the previous chapter, okay. This is also one important point. Now we will see the keywords changes. There are many changes around us, okay. Contraction means cooling of an iron rim, iron blade. Evaporation means steaming or heating down, okay. Expansion means making slightly larger the iron rim, iron blade, and anything. Melting means melting of wax, melting of ice, anything, okay. Some changes can be reversed and some cannot be reversed. A change may occur by heating a substance or by mixing it with some other. Okay, a change can be also reversed by heating anything, heating any substance, or mixing some substance with some water or any other material. Okay. There is one more substance which cannot be reversed, okay. It is hard, it is cement, okay. Cement, you can also see that the cement cannot be reversed. Cement, we fit up, or we cover our leg with a plaster, okay. Plaster, okay, we cover up our leg with a plaster when we have fracture, and once the plaster absorb any of the water, then it cannot be reversed. It becomes very much hard and it cannot be reversed. Cement also, when we mix some water with cement, okay, when we mix water with cement, it also cannot be reversed, because when one time we add, here is some cement in a bowl, and if one time we add some water to it, okay, some water to it, then it cannot be reversed. It become an hard substance, it become an hard substance, okay. Remember this. So what we have learned, that some changes can be reversed and some cannot be reversed. A plaster cannot be reversed, okay. Plaster, cement cannot be reversed, it become a hard substance. Remember this, okay. Okay, so friends, if you have any doubt related to this chapter, you can comment me on the comment section, okay. So let's end with this video. If you like our video, please, if you like my video, then like my video, share this video, and subscribe my channel, okay. Thank you.